Hello, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, especially for those moments when wrinkles start to make their appearance on the face. Fear not! We've got the recipe for a radiant and rejuvenated complexion. Join me as we explore the secrets to maintaining healthy and youthful skin. As we gracefully navigate through life, wrinkles become part of our unique journey. Understanding that aging is a natural process allows us to approach it with grace and care. But what if we could uncover a recipe that embraces the changes while promoting radiant skin? One of the fundamental ingredients in our skincare recipe is hydration. It starts from within by ensuring you stay well hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin moisturized from the inside. Additionally, opt for hydrating skincare products that nourish and plump the skin's surface, reducing the appearance of fine lines. Your diet plays a crucial role in the health of your skin. Include nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids in your meals. These ingredients support collagen production and contribute to skin elasticity, helping to combat the effects of aging. The sun, while a source of warmth and light, can accelerate the aging process of the skin. Make sunscreen your best friend. Applying a broad-spectrum SPF daily shields your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and reducing the formation of wrinkles. As wrinkles emerge, it's essential to adopt a gentle skincare routine. Choose cleansers, toners, and moisturizers that cater to your skin's changing needs. Avoid harsh products that may strip the skin of its natural oils, contributing to dryness and the appearance of wrinkles. Unlock the power of anti-aging ingredients in your skincare routine. Look for products containing retinoids, peptides, and antioxidants. These ingredients can promote collagen production, reduce fine lines, and protect your skin from environmental damage. Exercise isn't just for the body, it's beneficial for your skin too. Regular physical activity promotes blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This contributes to a healthy complexion and can aid in reducing the signs of aging. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. During sleep, your body undergoes crucial repair processes, including skin regeneration. Establish a consistent sleep routine to support your skin's natural renewal and rejuvenation.